Hello friends, today I am going to solve practice set 6.2 and practice set 6.2 is based on angle of elevation and angle of depression. Let me tell you what is angle of elevation and what is angle of depression. First, angle of elevation. When angle made from bottom to top, it is called angle of elevation, and angle of depression, when the angle made from top to bottom, it is called angle of depression. All of you understood what is the angle of elevation and what is the angle of depression. Now taking example number 1, you listen it carefully. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of the church. In this example, we have to find height of the church. First, we have to draw the figure and then find height of the church. Here, AB represent the church. A person standing at a distance 80 meters from the church at point C. Here, a person means observer. An observer looking at the top of the church, and it makes angle of elevation, and angle of elevation is 45 degree. Let's see, AB represent the church, C is the observer, C is the position of the observer, angle ACB is the angle of elevation, and angle of elevation ACB is 45 degree. And BC is equal to 80 meter is given. In right angle triangle ABC, here you can take tan 45 because side AB is opposite angle of 45 and adjacent side BC, tan ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Therefore, tan 45 is equal to AB upon BC. You know that tan ratio is tan 45 is 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to AB upon BC value is 80. Therefore, here cross multiplication. Therefore, AB is equal to 80 meter. Therefore, the height of the church is 80 meter. All of you understood? Next example. Example number 2. I am reading example number 2. You listen it carefully. From the top of the lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes angle of depression of 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. In this example, we have to find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Means find the distance between lighthouse and ship. First you have to draw figure and then find the distance between lighthouse and ship. Here AB represent the lighthouse and ship far away from the lighthouse at point C. Observer looking at ship from the top of the lighthouse. It makes angle of depression. Angle of depression, angle DAC is 60 degree. Let's see. Let AB represent the lighthouse. C is the position of the ship. AD is the horizontal line. Angle DAC is the angle of depression. And angle DAC and angle ACB is the alternative angle, and both the angle are congruent. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 60 degree, and AB is equal to 90 meter is given. In right angle triangle ABC, here you can take tan ratio because AB is the side opposite of angle 60 and BC is the adjacent side. Therefore tan ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Therefore tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC. You know that tan 60 ratio is root 3. Therefore root 3 is equal to AB value is 90, 90 upon BC. Next, therefore BC is equal to 90 upon root 3. Here denominator is root 3. Then do the rationalization. Therefore BC is equal to 90 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Therefore BC is equal to 90 into root 3 upon 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. Therefore BC is equal to 30 root 3, because root 3 value is 1.73 is given in the example. Therefore BC is equal to 51.9 meter. 30 into 1.73 is equal to 51.90 meter. Therefore answer is the ship is at distance of 51.9 meter from the lighthouse. All of you understood? Next example, example number 3. I am reading example number 3. You listen it carefully. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degree. What is the height of the second building? In this example, we have to find height of the second building. First, we have to draw the figure from given information. AB is the first building and CD is the second building. Width of the road, BD is the width of the road. AE perpendicular to CD. From the top of the first building, which is height is 10 meter, the angle of elevation of the top of the second building is 60 degree. Therefore the angle CAE is 60 degree. In this figure, we have to find CD, and CD is the height of the second building. But before that, you have to find CE. Let's see. Let AB and CD represent the two buildings. BD represent the road. Sec AE perpendicular to sec CD. Angle CAE is the angle of elevation. AB is equal to 10 meter, BD is equal to 12 meter, and angle CAE is 60 degree. In this figure, quadrilateral ABDE is the rectangle, and in rectangle, opposite side of the rectangle are equal. Means AB is equal to AED and BD is equal to AE. Therefore, DE is equal to AB is equal to 10 meter, AE is equal to BD is equal to 12 meter. Opposite side of the rectangle are equal. In right angle triangle, here you can take the tan ratio, because side C is the opposite side of the angle 60 and A is the adjacent side. The tan ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Therefore tan 60 is equal to CE upon AE. Tan ratio tan 60 is, you know that tan 60 is root 3 is equal to C upon AE value is 12. Therefore C is equal to 12 root 3. C value is 12 root 3. Therefore CD is equal to CE plus ED. Here CE plus CD is equal to CE plus ED. C dash E dash D. Therefore CD is equal to CE value is 12 root 3 plus ED value is 10. Therefore, CD is equal to 12 root 3 plus 10 meter. Therefore, answer is the height of the second building is 12 root 3 plus 10 meter. All of you understood?